welcome to another episode here. Here we have a Milus watch. This is gold plated, only 10 on the grade I think, and it goes with a V370 or 371. Not sure if this one is running, but we'll take a look on it. I'm familiar with Milus. It's interesting. There's so many watches which I don't know about, but obviously these ones have a big history. So Milus is a Swiss watch brand based in Biel. It was founded by Paul William Junod in 1919. So, and the history is that Paul William Junod, which lived 1896 to 1951, wanted to create a robust yet elegant watch, a precious accessory which everyone would wish to own. So this goal, in 1919, he set up the watchmaking business at Route de Rochenet 21 in Bienne. The company remained in the ownership of the Junod family until 2002. So Paul William Junod held fast to this ideal, put it into practice, and never changed his direction of achieving it. He trained and experienced in the art and tradition of the watchmaking craft. He wanted to work with this potential to develop it further in order to make his dream come true. So in 1982, Paul Herbert Junod handed over the company to his two sons, Paul and Pierre Junod, who complemented each other perfectly in the company. While Pierre devoted himself to the financial affairs of the business, Paul was the more technician, and he was, from what I have researched, a very talented engineer. And was a graduate of this school of watchmaking in Biel. And he continued developing innovative shapes as well, and new design and concept for the Milus brand. And in 2003, Milus was acquired by Peace Mark Group, which is actually a Hong Kong-based company specialized in manufacturing and retailing of timepieces. With the formation of the new company, Milus International SA, the brand made a successful relaunch at Baselworld 2004. And in 2008, the brand was taken over by Shou Fai Fook, a Hong Kong retail jeweler group. And in 2016, Look Tissot brought the Milus brand from its Chinese investors. Look belongs to the celebrated Swiss watchmaking family Tissot. Former chairman of Tissot Watch Company, Luc Tissot is the founder and chief executive of Tissot Medical Research SA. And from 2003 to 2015, Milus has been positioned in the luxury price segment with premium watch collections like Appiana, Apenius, Sirina, Eridana, Erios, Merea, Nonocera, Taresea, Tyrion, and Setios. And since 2016, the brand has been offering timepieces in an affordable price range. So it's kind of interesting. The history goes way back. I guess this one is probably from the 70s. We'll find out about that. Sorry if this gets blurry. So that was a little bit history, which I've actually found based on a homepage also here. Very interesting. Let's open this one then. So I'm glad we can have a history lesson here as well. Here you go. So here we have the old one. Just give it a push like this. There you go. Looks good. Let's see what kind of movement it has. 7 jewels, that's amazing. looks good. Has some scratches though. Let's take a look here. I have myself a strap, a black one which should fit, I think. Let's see. If we can fit. There you go. We take this one also. This one was a little bit more. Something here. Hang on. Just not to get more scratches on this one. Sometimes it can be a little bit tricky with this one. This one was. There you go. Soaps. Nice. Just there you go. See? I think this one. So be 370 for this one. With a huge strap, it looks good. Yes, as some other watches which I bought in the same package. This one needs a polish on it less. Thank you so much for watching. God bless and take care.